this means the people that are here wanted to be here, and they made it. They're here. You got yourself, and that's the most important thing. You guys are business owners, and that's what we talk about. You guys are in charge of what you're going with your own business. You didn't make excuses, I can assure you that. I'm super excited to have this amount of time with you guys, and we'll make sure that we make it worth your while. But also, the most important thing though is connecting with other people here, because that's the cool part about the magic of what happens. Is when my mom said it the best, the best conversations are the ones that you're having outside of the rooms, the ones that you're able to go home, take away those relationships, be able to call, because you never know when somebody needs to kind of have that call or that pick-me-up.
This trip so far has been absolutely amazing. We're at this Cana resort. It's beautiful. And today I was just sitting by the pool. Yesterday I was at the pool bar, and we had an amazing meeting with Chris. And it's just so nice to be with just, I think, 30 consultants, and everyone is just bonding and having a wonderful time.
The Dominican here it's special. The beach is like powder soft sand. Absolutely amazing. The resort's kind of quiet, which is nice because, party girls liven it up a little bit, but it kind of feels like we've got the resort to ourselves, and this has just been such a fun experience. This is my 11th trip with Pure Romance, but it is definitely a winner and making the memory books.
It has been positively amazing. I can't say enough good things about this trip. I have enjoyed it so much. It has been so relaxing, and I'm so glad that I put the extra effort forth to win it.